Hello there, and welcome to another segment of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case, where we test just how well you know the law. And joining me is my friend Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you?
I'm doing great.
I'm glad to hear it.
And I want people, if they'd like a Case or No Case t-shirt, to go to pksd.com/t-shirt, and we'll send one to them.
That's a good-looking shirt.
All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So you're driving down the road, and you get rear-ended. Okay, and it's a kind of a busy traffic day, so you don't want to stick around. You exchange driver information with the other driver, get their insurance information, but you don't call the police. Okay, the other driver's insurance company calls you up, wants to take a statement, you decline if you don't want to give a statement. You are injured, but it takes you about 6 months before you decide you're actually going to make a claim against the other driver's insurance company. You didn't call the police. Case or no case?
I think you always need evidence that something really did happen. So because you didn't call the police, no case.
Probably a case. You don't have to call the police.
Who knew?
You don't have to call the police. I mean, sometimes it's helpful to preserve evidence, but you'd have a case. The thing is, you normally do not want to wait 6 months before you present a claim. You want to get on it much quicker than that because you can lose evidence, and so, don't wait.
Don't wait. Great information. And we thank you, of course, for tuning in. If you need to contact our friends at PKSD, dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.